What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of?
Hi guys, welcome again on my channel. My name is Ayola Asuko and this is the most requested video on my channel, the most requested Gele tutorial on my channel. And if you've not subscribed yet on my channel, please do that right now. Click on that subscribe button and beside it you see a bell. Click on that bell, like hit on the bell, so that way you get notified whenever I post a new video on air. So the first thing I did was to create my base plate first. And to create your base plate, I'm going to leave a video up here so that you can watch how to create your base plate. And I did 5 base plates, and at the back I'm gonna cross at the back, so you need to align that base plate to the back of the neck. And you are going to cross, and remember the shorter hand stays up while the longer hand goes under, because it is that long hand you are using to wrap it to the back again. So the longer hand stays under while the shorter hand stays up, and we're gonna be creating our pleats like so. So the first thing I will do is to create another 4 pleats, sorry guys, with the shorter hand, just to give it like a little space at the, I don't know, just to make it a little bit flat, or give it a little space at the front before we start creating our crown on it. I hope you understand. If that makes sense, I don't know.
What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. We got there forever and ever. What are you made of? Girl, I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me, you got there for me. So, what are you made of? What are you made of?
So guys, make sure your pleats are so tight and make sure your hands are steady. So I'm going to use the longer hand of the gele to hold down that short plate I just made. I hope you got it. Can you see how neat they are, guys? So please watch carefully and make sure to watch till end, that way you get to understand more better, guys. And now we are creating our crown on that plate. So guys, please watch carefully how I create the crown, because I don't know how to explain this, guys, but it's just like I'm picking the plates one by one, one after the other, and they are so tight. I make sure I held it firm, and they are so tight, guys. So please watch closely and carefully for you to understand, guys. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up already.
We got there, okay. You got there for me. As long as say you there, we got there, okay. We got there forever and ever. What are you made of? Girl, I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you there, we got there, okay. You got there for me, you got there for me. So, what are you made of? What are you made of?
So guys, after picking the crown, like the plate up to a certain level, I'm going to take it down for her to hold it before I start picking another pleat. And now it's not just creating a pleat, we are going to make this one in a fan shape. Can you see I'm picking a very smaller pleat by the side, and at the middle it's bigger. So you're just going to like pick like a fan shape of pleat, like from the side it's smaller and in the middle is bigger. I hope you get that, guys. So guys, I'm pulling out the fabric just to have enough space to create my fan pleat. I hope you understand.
We got that, okay. You got that for me. As long as say you there, we got that, okay. We got that forever and ever. What are you made of? Get I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you there, we got that, okay. You got that for me, you got that for me. So, what are you made of? What are you made of?
So guys, it's time to arrange our pleats downward and to create another fan pleat at the other side. And I'm trying to arrange my pleat very well. Guys, please, I don't know how to explain this, but I know you are going to understand if you watch carefully. This gele is super easy to tie, so please just watch closely, guys. Watch closely and look at how I created the other side fan pleat.
45, you're my life. What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? As long as say you did, we got that, okay. You got that for me. As long as say you did, we got that, okay. We got that forever and ever. What are you made of? Get I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you there, we got that.
So back to the back of the gele, guys. I'm going to roll up the shorter flap at the back. I'm going to roll them in a circular motion and bring it back to the neck area so that I can tie my longer end with the shorter flap. Guys, I hope you understand it that way, if that makes sense. So I'm rolling the shorter flap at the back and I'm going to tie it with my longer flap here, the one we use in creating the fan plate. So I'm tying them together just to secure our pleats, guys. Please watch and enjoy the rest of the video, guys. I know you're going to understand.
What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of?
So when tying your gele, guys, you have to be conscious and be careful and tell your client or your model, wherever you're working with, not to leave the gele she's holding, or else, guys, we cannot be starting from the beginning again, and we don't want that. So she has to secure that pleat for you very well. So that's what I'm doing, and I am being conscious.
What are you made of? As long as say you did, we got that, okay. You got that for me. As long as say you.
So guys, we are done tying and it's time to arrange and set all of our pleats So this is the final stage of the gele, which you need to do carefully, and seriously, you need to apply sense. I will not lie, you need to apply sense in this final stage. I'm not going to cut out anything. I'm going to show you how, as you can see, the gele is not strong, like it's falling. Probably the top of the gele, I don't know what's wrong in that place, but I think it's not holding or it's not staying. But I'm going to show you how I hold it, or how I held it, and how I arrange it to make my gele stand out. And you can also apply this to your gele in case you have any kind of error like this.
45, yeah, I'm alive. What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. We got there forever and ever. What are you made of? Girl, I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me, you got there for me. So, what are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. We got there forever and ever. What are you made of? Girl, I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me, you got there for me. So, what are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. We got there forever and ever. What are you made of? Girl, I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me, you got there for me. So, what are you made of? What are you made of? We got there forever and ever. What are you made of? Girl, I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me, you got there for me. So, what are you made of? What are you made of?
So guys, at the back of the gele, I'm just trying to pin down some areas that are not neat and try to make them neat. So that's what I'm doing. She's actually a client, so I can't start turning her up and down. Yeah, so that's why I'm not showing you guys the back. I just wanted to film this gele tutorial for you guys. That's why I'm doing this. And guys, we've come to the end of this. I hope you like, because I enjoyed filming this video. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you do, don't leave this channel without subscribing. Yeah, like my videos and comment what you want to see in my next video. Till then, see you in my next one. Bye. I love you guys.
45, you're my life. What are you made of? What are you made of?